Scientific Notation in Linear Equations, Lessons 4 through 7, Review. Questions 5 through 8. For questions 5 through 8, there are 3 steps. First step is you put the problem in your calculator exactly how it looks. Hit enter. Your calculator will give you the standard number. So you will write the standard form down. That's your work. And then your final answer will be written in scientific notation. So again, put it in your calculator, write the standard number down, and then write your final answer in scientific notation. Pause your video and get all of this written down. Okay, so let's put these in our calculator. For number 5, it is 9.97 times 10 to the 7th, hit the over button, plus 6.2 times 10, oops, wrong button, times 10 to the 5th. So let's just double check. 9.7 times 10 to the 7th plus 6.2 times 10 to the 5th. Okay. Let's put them on the calculator, write the standard number down, and then we'll change them. So this would be 100,320,000. Number 6, 1.08 times 10 to the 9th. Hit the over arrow, minus 9.9 times 10 to the 7th. 1.08 times 10 to the 9th minus 9.9 times 10 to the 7th. All right, so this would be 981 million. It's just 981 million. All right, next problem. Again, exactly how it looks. I'm going to need to use the parentheses here. Negative 3.8 times 10 to the 12th. Hit my over arrow, close the parentheses, open a new set of parentheses. Negative 8.6 times 10 to the negative 8th, over arrow, close my parentheses. So again, negative 3.8 times 10 to the 12th times negative 8.6 times 10 to the negative 8. So we have 326,800. Last problem. This one you're going to want to start with the fraction button. So on top, I've got 1.7978 times 10 to the 4th. Hit the over arrow twice to get to the bottom. And then negative 8.9 times 10 to the negative 3rd. Don't forget that negative exponent. So one more time before I hit enter, 1.7978 times 10 to the 4th over negative 8.9 times 10 to the negative 3rd. So we have negative 2,020,000. All right, so if you need to, take a moment, pause your video, get those numbers written down. Okay, time to write these in scientific notation. So remember, one number after the decimal. Or sorry, one number before the decimal. So 1 is my first non-zero number, so after that is where I put the decimal. So 1.0032. You need from your first non-zero to the last non-zero. Times 10 to the The decimal was down here at the end, and it's moving to right there. So that's 368. So 1.0032 times 10 to the 8th. If at any point I'm going too fast, just pause your video to get it written down. Number 6. The first non-zero number is 9, so 9.81 times 10 to the, well, the decimal is here at the end, and we're placing it here. So again, there's 3, 6, 8 numbers in between. So 9.81 times 10 to the 8th. Three is my first non-zero number, so the decimal will go after the 3. So we've got 3.268 times 10 to the, again, decimals at the end. It's going to go between the 3 and the 2. There's 3, 4, 5 numbers in between. The first 2 is my first non-zero number, so my decimal will go after that. Don't forget your negative sign. So we got negative 2.02 times 10 to the, well, the decimal was here. We're moving it to here. There are 6 numbers in between, so it's a 6. Okay, so that is it for 5 through 8. If you have any questions, let me know. Just real quick, how did I get my decimals? Or sorry, how did I get my exponents? I counted the numbers in between. So there's 8 numbers there. That's why it's an 8 and so forth. If you have any questions on 5 through 8, please do not hesitate to ask.